You know why you swear is any panel.
Yes. Yes.
Open post.
Yes.
Wow, your body paid you know why you swear is any panel.
Yes.
Nothing out Chai and Sana what you saw.
It was a technical.
Would you say what you saw technical?
Technical.
You be choky one now?
No. I was having a throat breathing.
So.
And a banisano.
Open post?
Yeah.
Eddie Necro in same CC.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Yes, you ewa.
Oh, yes.
I said, compire, say.
And some assist.
Jim FM.
After you know no free to no play. Come no mommy. I had and some assist. Now, and that story is no crowd here. Just Misro.
I didn't hear.
I know a ding.
I know shit.
But this story is the me can we and I do crebu I mean to me na. But this story now, it's too like huntable stories. Huntable.
What is huntable?
I just idea hunting. Oda necessary so. Huntable.
Hunto.
Exactly. But I'll try my best as a professional one. No my yet. Me we are mon pensuo kakra nsi me nchen.
Satan ne meda no mame.
Na me nko. Na OPD.
Open post CP.
Let's move on to the Facebook. Aya ne ho hia me pa. Na dey na me network yi twa no ho. Eti uko Facebook ade share sisi a. Just share it and then share with your friends, your colleagues and your pals. Share with your pals, pen pals and friends and everybody that matters in your life. Share with them. Now, and some no dear. And also soon. Yadeba bro. It is said you want to mean transin na kura. I'll not lose that. Oh, transi aje diyan.
Say.
Oh, transi na.
Na say soldier level bisa no.
Oh, transi na waje diyan.
Esi amesoma sorry agina ho.
Me agina ho.
Na do na so na ehwe Constance ehwe yen. Or say Obrimpon in the building.
Then
Isaac Atta also wo hwe yen. Sansona Doris so hwe yen. Responsibly. And J Rocky also hwe yen.
J Rocky mo.
Sanso and Mohammed Ibrahim. Also hwe yen Sabri. Akosu Echa hwe yen. Berima Nanayao wonso wo hwe Emmanuel. Wonso wo hwe Victoria. Wonso wo hwe Agnes. Eunice. Also wo hwe yen. Obrimpon.
Yeah.
Yankwayanim.
Okay. I want to share. I just want to share. Now, people do share.
But share that.
Okay. What share multiple sharing and the yummy.
Okay.
Share multiplically.
Of
course. Introduce multiplication sharing.
Responsibly.
And subscription and the liking. Na yonko. Media internet they say ya so fine pa.
Responsibly.
I just say.
And I'm family email. Family email. And send your audience here no way. Say I don't hear from me wa.
Oh yes.
And now hear data.
Me hear phone na data also. A data phone.
And the video was out. You can your phone one na. How do they give me?
Yeah, Abba. I've been able to obtain it. OPD.
Obrimpon CP.
Case number 1. Over 100 girls have been raped and impregnated in Ethiopia by their fathers. Girls. In fact, by their fathers.
Hey.
By Kankatasi in conjunction and in partnership lockdown.
Hey.
Lockdown whereby ye and you could do Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa. A Ethiopian capital. Now you could do one.
So no more AU meetings.
Exactly. And your quantity say the lockdown has brought a lot of good things to men to experience their sexual differentials.
Sexual differentials.
Sexual differentials by entering into juvenile sex life. Nkwala. Wamuma. And as I majority of the fathers. Wamuma dida in terms of rape. When we talk about rape is a situation or a juncture when a man assumes his sexual libido into a woman without the woman's consent.
The way I was see actions, you know. Just say
you need to see with your eyes.
It's on Facebook.
And these men, in for that matter, fathers, they have been arrested and convicted, and conviction has proven them guilty of as a related sexual misconduct.
And
they say, as a related sexual misconduct, you say, so will be and consistently as a related. Now, no, data and you should move free hospitals. Ahodwa, Addis Ababa, over 100 children. And no more papa lockdown ye. Who's a lockdown? Almost see a Marquess school for you, including Ghana in a school for Tenefi. And in the process of observing COVID-19 preventive measures, such as staying school and retreating from the fathers took due advantage to have sexual knowledge of their own children. And when sexual knowledge with their own children, that is a blood incestination. Blood incestination. When we say blood incestination, it is when you are testing your own blood.
When you are testing
your own blood by means of sexual intercourse, that is sexual incestination. It is different from assassination. Assassination is killing somebody. But incestination is sexually oriented. Hallelujah. And about this, Anna, Tessa Papa Foy. And quality fear no more do my yes to press sexual toys. Sexual toys are Alpha Cram and Crown over 100 or minimum.
No, mamma, way.
1 man minimum of ye. So I'll call them up a young quamba and no sano, a just minimal hours. And break it to your banana, some pa. What we
break it to your banana,
son pa.
And break it to your banana,
son pa. The fathers were trying to do call interim call exercise.
Where domestic call
and I just say, 1 man over 100. Or winning him, Addis Ababa Sabri authorities nibu fupa.
In fact, COVID-19 so Eden Samson
Eden Samnam. Eti bisa papa for no sense some system yaba. Now ye bebusa we want to assess and understand why you perpetrated such inhumane act.
And
they said they were trying to have a taste of their own blood. Asabre Hunsem, Ababe Toja, Ayesubamboni, Nanso, Asiwa Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, I Hunsen Samso, Ababe Toja. Now, case number 2. 98-year-old Vivian Fisher achieved her dream of graduating high school. Vivian Fisher, Iwonya Fisherman. This woman had conceived a dream. And when the conception of the dream was at a peak, she determined to make sure she outdoes the dream of becoming a graduate, notwithstanding the age factor. And for that matter, my pay sister, Mami, and fear the Okunum watch was over school. Oh, one number Meko school, Aswabia asa grass agro meko school. Now, Mami California and asem you see California say Spain oh.
There be California in Spain. California or United States of America.
US one yes. California. Enti one papa Mami no wa. Tese sabre no. Morovia High School class of 2020. Mami kahubia 98 years. Afen wakwe high school. After say 98
years.
2 years to 100. And so the people around when the news of this graduation dropped into their eardrums, they were chanting. It was like, what is happening? And everybody was metamorphosed. Say, why, how come? Say, 98-year-old woman. They were chanting. Miss Omasumi
Omote say.
Yes, 98 I graduated.
I graduated no. Omasumi
Omote. I'm a sabre. My men so they to do what you say. Ne dia so we are singing so no super high school ni bie. Eti wa ma in fact she was not intimidated or overburdened, however, over enthused with the vision. No, she was able to acquire her dream. In fact, transmogrification of a dream into reality.
There you go again, mate.
Amasabe dream no has been transmogrified and transformed and recreated into a reality, empirical evidence to prove her certification as a graduate of the high school.
Hey, mate, American will say you're not preaching, mate.
Asabre, and also case number 3. Bonsia.
Henry,
Ekurobi ohaya no mudin su ha adwe okromu ha. Herzegovina sakuro no. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Ena ababa wabi
Bosnia
and Herzegovina.
Eno si okrobi din.
Ababa wai Efrida ya wo no. Ebesi nne. She has always worn red thing. On part at the color beer. She's a red girl. And was sister wumpa. Ne sama ekran so be dress koko. Oba Facebook a. E ya de se video ne da ho bibia wo ho. Now if you look at the lady OPD.
Menko hwe bi na.
Na 67-year-old and what the boss near. Now red you know. In fact, she can dress from the hair to the toe, through the meanders and the subsets of the body.
Oh, okay.
Every elementary part of the body has been red and cladded in red.
There's a light in red.
Every subject, branches of the body.
Or a nice girl.
And now, just say, hey, what did you de coco on what you? Hey, Nintuma ya coco, Pietro coco, Bodas coco, Bibia coco.
Don't match so your coco.
What done it in you coco? Not done the Babia coco. As Nanuna Nuclusi. I've had what person jag woman no. And since it's team no, we want to know more about this. And I say, what they didn't want Musa, you know that what dress for.
They be a
coco. They be a who knows that I did not understand.
The no page I saw the out flowers.
Flower, just say what? Just say. What do you call Facebook? Just say what? It be the
picture be and also I say on it. Oh, and you could be there.
There be. Just say what? He has been a radical person. She has eradicated her entire life and entire existence. Ama sabreno. Just say, Nukusu Jana Kotna Bepe Bafo. Koko said, dear.
Valentine woman,
Valentina. Ama sabre. And one summer, but not only Ebisan say, Ukusu be Jao. Because Koko no dear Hano, and was say, oh, and ya, o Jamia. Mensumako, Esa Kokono. And when Yamacha Wadia, it was so obeja, not obeja koko dear. And you obeja wadia. I know someone some about OPD case number Now, as some way the process here, but Facebook never had yet. I'm sorry, you know, same way, probably we are. We are done.
We are done.
OPD.
Obrimpo.
I'm watching when you are.
Sorry, I won't be here. We are done there. Hey, I don't plan to post before you come.
Sorry, way. OPD.
CP.
Akuma mama bi Zimbi wa ha ontie story ye pa ma. Ontie ni ye pa. Esan say story wey. Mon fra Akuma mama me. Mon fra ni mama me. Mon fra Akuma mama Zimbi mama.
Try to call a friend.
Mami Indian wo. Ye fe no Chichwa. Chichwa any the thing.
Chichwa.
In fact, Oko India, the word chua. When you do parallel translation, it is testicles. Chichwa. Enti sa udi baga na mnebro ni kasa mudia chichwa no means somebody who catches testicles. Chichwa. Enti wano na juma ni say. He is an educationist, sexual educationist. Wachirachira kwenye faso ni wabada to exist your sexual satisfaction to the maximum or to the equilibrium. When we say brim, it means bibia ashama. Brim.
When we say
brim, it means bibia ashama.
So say when you say
brim,
bibia ashama.
When we say brim,
bibia
ashama. So the moment you hear brimming, not to say I am
brimming,
I feel it to the full.
To the maximum degree.
Etina as I can force bibia brimwa. When we say bibia brim, it means ashama. Timema yashama san yakosina nim.
Menko studio how.
Eti brimming is a local language. Enti about the sano. Wachira chire si eye saade no. Tina me say me hia kuma. Na wachira chire wie ye chire wie ya na. O chire wie ya no. Anu omu a school for na wa chiro made no. Anu omu ka tell say no kwasem madam, you are a very good sex therapist. You are a very good sex lecturer. But in fact the way I wo chire ya de no. Boys na ya tie chire won nyina no, we are at equilibrium. We are at a brim level. Enti we need to do a brimstick exercise.
Because brimming no Germany.
So mema so pa. Enti ya hwede to brimming e wo Germany no. Mema wo brimming wo Germany na.
Ya chacha brimming fo nyina.
Mema mu edin pa.
Mo brimming wo Germany ya chacha.
Low sperm counts ni wo. Sa brimming kru no. Ti ma wo ho ya de. Enti brimming level no school franchise o mu chire nyina no. Ma minusia wo si tie etueke ni pounds etueke nwani eyese with sounds and all the videos and audios etueke
mama madrin say beko adon one service
me ko twa me tukura na etu for me etueke etueke ya
work happiness yampa
enna owie ye nom chese mama wa kira de ye but we need to do practical because to ya brimi and the tete akira we are the brim and no mu tigu mami so said ya okire ye no a ye mfanya ho ha se ka so obi adidie pa omdidi mami no ade omdidi no
yes
omdidi ni bone papa
omdidi bibi
omdidi mami ni bone because they okire ye no over 86 guys are on class one omtigu mami so obia wie no yaba obia wie the same star no ama me kire no na mami no so star no se no ye no
wow
eti over Facebook ade behwe me ya che
say the obrimpo
say ya no mami kire that was the topic he was treating say ema eni mema na yimu no star we no kwakire sa ada no eti obi no mpagya mami no si wo say ya and 86 students mema no
say when say una e short I want to be said anya
no dabi
say what me say ma me na wo wa
enti
say what me say ponkwa ya se pa
mama fa nche no ama sabre ma me no she's wounded and bruised He has been bruised and wounded. I'm a sabra positive watch guy sitting now. And no more lawyer and catch up was in say, how can you teach without exhibition? I just say your transcripts are good. And they did that to understand the topic more. I'm going to say, caught a job was Nina.
Wow.
Caught a job was in our India house. Because teaching without exhibition there, it is paying school fees without anything. As a bro, my first one, remember, no. Oh, yeah, you almost see. I see what India. Opi, ya the best ya.
Oh, emphasis.
Ya the best ya. Na, bibi ho another ben Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday bantam. Ti Tuesday nyambwa.
Responsibly.
Ya best shia na ensamo na yi. Atwago no.
Esa ochina ibe shia.
Ochina da ben. Hey, Thursday and Friday. Ayo. Etienne ete so that na ebesa ba.
Responsibly.
Ni ya be cancel bi. Shatawale. Hey.
Yes.
Ochina beka. Ana yanka.
Mame ho.
Shatawale na chese. Wa chese ene do aye wo motimi de anim ha no. It was so enwanwa.
But says Shatawale wono ankasa wa maha.
Wa maha say phone so and the dusty hit FM. And we invite man or the sample
joint 77.
And now on your studio in program wa. And for whatever meticulous and Mercedes purpose. Shatawale was connected to the line via phone.
That's right.
And when Shatawale was connected to the studio via the phone, no, and watch us Okrama talk at Tomijmadia as a grass agro.
Yentie.
That's not on Facebook already.
Would a yentie asem no a course no where Shatawale any joint 77.
Joint.
Yeah, bro.
Joint.
And listen.
Don't see. You know me if I vex.
Bro, don't vex. This is the vex matter. It's the truth way we talk for here.
You see. Don't listen. You see, don't talk these things. Make pastor boy.
You never sung for me before. You never show my father where they ground. Show my father where they ground. Say you never write song for me before.
Hey, lady, make I tell you something. Rain the phone.
The song where they do. Rain for four. See, the song where I take on your there. I do have a captain in there. Where I take on.
Hey, lady, I tell you something.
Bro, I don't go live for anything. Bro, you see the respect I get for you. I get respect for you since. You know the now way I don't go disrespect you, bro. You know the way me I love you.
Jim FM.
So I don't oh bro. Oh okay. No problem.
Charlie. You see the car there? I'm gonna make the car correct right now.
Oh bro.
Right now.
No problem, bro.
Right. You see, make go start. You lady, you love me there. You love me. Why you do love me like go the car right now.
Oh bro.
Charlie. You see the car there? I'm gonna make the car correct right now.
Oh bro.
Right now.
No problem, bro.
Right. You see.
Problem Pong.
Oh, dear, bro, Facebook says, yeah, in fact, the most pathetic part of it, and they say, I love you, no couldn't become fruitful.
Yes.
And swaba. So, we are program, no, na Ghana posi for no. I can't count the numbers.
No more.
And no more go and you has say, beam. I just a brand in Pianom go, Ejicano. I'm just said it was creating scenes over here. I'm a Sabrecano, Majorisa Mai or coffee at 77 no, or taxi. And a dear coffee. Now, video no Facebook. Oba baby, I say, I know a positive bottom pimpa.
Bebacho, Bomodin pass, Obeko, Adom 106.3 FM, Facebook wall. Now, what share said a positive one, Abra, you made no corner, we and a pepe, John 77 PA, no, Anna. You say shatter Somase or Mra Magic Cano and free joint 77 and temp to who suppose if one and a packet one car is see a year multimedia anymore. One more air Magic Cano a year free a year joint 77 car or Shatawale Edemano. Baubrimpon, Obrimpon, Tio say, me, oh, mammy, idea. What the idea not chemi? Adia no so de chamia e media obetimi asa ba mrebis chese obetimi abasa oba beje wadia na.
That is why it is not advisable to receive a verbal giftings.
Bebacho bomodi so obeko Adom 106.3 FM Facebook wall. Kwa post for no fast beje ka ni nyina na etwa egu no video ni nyina etwagu e wa Adom 106.3 Facebook wall. Bebacho wa
ebia na adia no wade man no wa register in Shatawale's name. Who knows? But so register in dry 77 ni dimu dia. And the baby ngwa kakra. So beti mi
ati. But set the yankra sa odi a chere bia.
Oh, se bia odi ma tomika. my register my name, my trick akra nam dia chew. Say your cover document media, nyodia. But my top brand new can am the man now OPD wa register in your name wa. And I mean this will be to me.
Or the car man or the man say on trick akra. No, I'm a J, and that's all the channel.
What touching?
What the channel they are with
Nasa and Pratchett could be taught the 10 girl when you go.
Any mammy and for Sanyo Manas because M1 at SC. But wouldn't I say, will be the idea amount. Say, I quite say, I say, would you send him was an opus or good joint 77?
Love you. Yes, I take what you out to you green treasure. Oh, Tikamuko hurry and watch a dirt castle.
Now, so I shall Uncle Santiana.
Uncle Santiano, but be a dream. Oh, but I see it to me when you be saying, so be told be a deal to me, Genesis. I'm on your year now, and that's the same.
Yes, but what is our call Adam 106.3 FM?
Open me call.
Eti Shatawale and instructive.
Oh, yeah, policy for 9.
Emo buy a beje car or no dia che joint 77. A good dia no ni die or more brother. Oh, na fe chase akasakasa kitua bi na ba between mu abanu wo radio so a na chase afa die prekope mekasa wie sempo OPD me adwuman obi acha meka mekasa pie studio pie bonte no na ni bana fa say aposifo meje ka no fa free me nsam na aposifo nso aba mpa so say Shatawale say
ya meje ka
no
etuo so krokro mu aposifo aba nyina etuo wo mu
say aposifo do me adwuma etuo wo mu de bia say
ene ye aposifo m do so pa eti case we nya aposifo ka ama enti that is a post ni do so pa
so
wow
so on say o hwe ensema no mo kan aye adego kama say tema for bro fu ni no say one for post for no say
maminko na me de man ka hwe ni abanye ya mede me ka man ka hwe ni mede me ka
obi de che o
bia minimum
but we nam sa kwan so etu nkrofo for say so obi se wa che obiribi a ma onye change of ownership mfa ma so ahu ma onye change of ownership emfa ma say ma che wade e ma bebre ho a me ma che wade ba cho frame life frame just call me 0302